Alright, welcome back. This is a quick video, well hopefully it's quick, on CSS variables and how to add fallbacks for older browsers. I don't know what browsers don't support CSS variables anymore. I guess we could check the works with site and check. I think it's can I use, there we go. Can I use CSS variables custom properties? Alright, seems to work with everything except for IE. And no one really uses IE anymore, do they? So it works with everything. So we don't even need fallbacks, but I guess you could add them anyway. Alright, let's talk about CSS variables then. I do have my testing here. I don't know if you've ever used CSS variables, but apparently they're supported by everything now, so there you go. So a CSS variable is something like this. We already have our CSS here, so I will just chuck in a CSS variable in root, root, that's how you add variables. And then this is our variable name, and this is our variable value. And we can use now this to access this, and we can change it up here. Obviously you wouldn't call it red color. If you wanted to change it to pink, because that gets a bit complicated, you would call it primary color. Primary color is red, and then to use this we would need to have a div, and then to apply this primary color to our red box we would just add a quick class here. So now we go red box. This is the fallback color in case it doesn't understand the variable, and then this is the variable, and now it's not red color anymore, it is primary color. So we have a red box. Let's save this actually. Oh, that's a terribly red box, that one. Unless you like red, then that's good. Let's set a border radius. Hopefully you can see my code now. It's a little bit bigger than it used to be. And what if we wanted to set a 5-pixel border radius? But instead of setting that, we could set a primary radius. Primary border radius is 5 pixels. And now instead of using 5 pixels here, which sets our border radius, we can use our primary border radius by going var primary border radius. And now if I had a whole bunch of things with primary border radius, you can then go and change just one variable at the top and it would change all of your borders, which is kind of cool. And then we can also change the color, the primary color, to something that's a bit easier on the eyes, I think. There, is that a bit easier? Yeah, it's a bit nicer. There, so now we have our primary color in our red box and our primary border radius. So we can then, if we go through and add a whole bunch of different things, we can use these CSS variables, which are very handy. So yes, that is CSS variables. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Oh, my hair's a bit out of place there. There we go. What was I saying? That's right. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.